is my first live, and I'm just, what the fuck? Okay, it's coming back. Good. So I'm just gonna try and explain this first setup for gold that was given yesterday. I dropped the setup yesterday. All right. So I've been following gold for quite a while now. Yeah, although I give this angle, I said gold will either come down here. You can see I measured it exactly. I said it's coming down from here, touch here, and we come back up. So it has come back, like I said in my Telegram channel. It has came back and touched here, and that's my support zone, and we are buying back up to 2971.50. Okay, so I'm taking out this. No, I'll be leaving the arrow. So I've been following gold for quite a while. Okay, using Fibonacci levels, all these zones, all these things we are giving in my Telegram channel. I give them when gold was. I give them this when gold was somewhere here. Okay, so when it was here, we measured our Fibonacci level from here, somewhere here. Yeah, from this zone using 1 hour time frame. Okay, of course I'm on 1 hour time frame. So we measured it and we got all the zones which I drew blue lines on. So we've been trading in those zones. Okay, so from this zone it comes down, it goes to the next zone, comes back down, break out the next zone and goes to the next one, come back down, touch here, goes up, break, goes to the next zone. You can see goes to the next zone. That's using from here to here. It goes to the next zone and comes back, and that's what we've been trading from here. We're trading from here, right? We've been trading using this Fibonacci level from here to here, and I think I should share this live. Okay, give me a second. All right, so this is it. I'm just write this down here. Somehow in here. I think my stand is not yet here. So let's just use this. Okay. Good. Let me use my hand then. So I'm trying to explain the setup we had. Okay. You guys should bring the lights. So I'm trying to explain the setup because we've been following gold for some days, or should I say some weeks now. This was when we've been following gold since January. Okay. Yeah, that's January 25th. That's when I drew this. So we've been following it like that, and I drew my Fibonacci because there was an impulse from here to here. Okay, there was an impulse from here to here. So we measured that Fibonacci, and I got my zones up to here. So we've been trading in that range. That range. So gold will just come, touch the next zone, all these lines, go to the next one, comes back to the next, goes break out to the next zone. You can see comes back to the next zone here, goes out, break out. Okay, it has been breaking out and doing all this touches this next one, comes back to the next one, and goes back up, and then comes back again to the next, just in this range of Fibonacci. That's what we've been trading, in this range. So I did this. I did say, okay, since it has reached this next zone, because I drew all blue lines, so I said, okay, it's gonna come back down to this zone. You can see I drew my resistance onto support, all the lines down to this place. So it respected there. So I wasn't awake to give the setup, but I just woke up and just we cut it. And I said, okay, we're gonna buy in this zone, but I saw that it's not coming back. So I measured a VG gap here, fair value gap, and then we got our entry, and I said I'm gonna start buying there. So that's where we started buying. So on this setup now, I'm hoping gold is gonna fly from here. Okay, it's gonna keep buying, baby. So I don't control the markets, we just analyze the market and trade the market. So I'm hoping it's gonna use this fair value gap and then buy, continue the long position to this 2971.509. That's the least. That's the last. Yeah, that's the last point on my Fibonacci, 4.236. Okay, that's it. So that's where I'm hoping gold should buy to, if possible. Or if it doesn't buy to the zone, then probably, let's see something. If it doesn't buy to that zone, then probably we might see something like this. Maybe. Oh, it might just continue trading in this zone, or like that. Where I did a mistake. Yeah, we might see something like this. Yep, that reach here, continue breakout, comes back here, and then goes back up, or comes back here, breakout, come back down. That's what we might be seeing. Or even if it doesn't reach this zone of 2938, yeah, it should reach this 2938 at least before coming back down, except it wants to come back down, and then we're gonna see maybe a breakout then to this next zone, 2831.93. So that's the zones good I've been trading in, and we're in this trade with my Telegram channel subscribers, and we're on break even. So we're on 0 rigs and no one is at rigs. So congratulations to all those that took this trade with me yesterday. It's 4 a.m. here, and I just woke up due to the alert I got on TradingView. So that's why I'm awake. So my stop loss is on break even. So this trade now is going. So let me show what will happen next. Possibly. It's my rectangle. So we got the breakouts here. Okay. This was the zone good was trading throughout yesterday. It couldn't break the zone, right? Couldn't break the zone. So I'm expecting, since we've gotten a breakout, what's this? This 1 hour candlestick, right? So you're gonna wait for this 1 hour candlestick to close above the zone, and then if we get that closure, then you're going to see something like this. If you get a closure there above, you're going to see something like this into the zone, and then heading back up here. Or if it doesn't come back into the zone, of course we know gold is always stubborn. It might come back to what's this? Yeah, it might come back to maybe below here and respect this supply I'm seeing here, or is it demand, they call it, for whatever, might come back here and respect it and continue going up to here, or here. So these two zones are what gold is going to buy to, maybe this week or anything else. So I'll wait. You can wait for this 1 hour candlestick to close. You can wait for that and then make your entry. That's a breakout, retest, and continue buying. So I think the zone you can enter another buy is 2906.11, or maybe you can bring it to the middle, 2905. Yeah, you can make your entry on 2905. Let me make a clone of this. Yeah, 2905. Yeah, you can make an entry on 2905.158. That's if it retraces back to that zone. So I think that should be me. I should be heading back to sleep, okay? I should be heading back to sleep because my trade is on break even and on TP. This is my first TP. My first TP is 2938.460, and my next TP is 2971.505, and then on break even. I got the trade perfect. All right, what I was waiting for. So I got a trade on this. Let's see if I can do this slides. So that's just it. There's nothing more. Again, okay. Top messages.